Welcome to part 2 of the Kiss Your Clutter Goodbye series. In this series, we're exploring some organizing concepts that will help you declutter and maintain your newly organized spaces. I've always believed that we fill the space we have. Do you agree? But at some point, we all reach a tipping point and things start to become clutter, and clutter just slows you down and takes up space. I love today's concept. I can't wait to share it with you. Even though I haven't moved in over 30 years, I use this exercise in my home all the time. Today's exercise is act like you're moving. What if you found out you had to move tomorrow? What would you take with you? And what would you leave behind? Studies show that we only use 20% of what we own. What about the other 80%? So for an exercise, gather one type of item. Maybe it's towels in your crowded linen closet. Take out the bath towels you use and consider while you have the rest. Would you pay to move those extra towels? What about something heavier, like books or tools? Here are 3 things that you need to consider. Think like a home stager. Uncluttered spaces make the best impression. Why not make the best impression for yourself? Imagine someone going through your closet or storage space. What would you want people to see? Resist buying containers until after you have decluttered. Then you'll have a sense of what you need. It works because you'll be determining what you need and not feel the pressure to get rid of things you love or use. It's also a great practice if you ever have to move. As I said before, clearing clutter is not a one-size-fits-all solution. This is just one decluttering option that may work for you. Follow along in the series for different strategies and get rid of what's holding you back.